guys, I got a 05 RM 125 build I'm doing here. Started a little late, I already got everything torn off. Spray painting. Ordered all new bearings. Got the motor cleaned up. Shock. Still gotta clean up a few things. I got a piston coming in. The motor. We'll be doing a top end rebuild soon. Has a Gold Series fatty pipe. Also V-Force 3 reeds. Got all the bolts. All our parts. Suspension was done by Cycle Suspension Service. Got new shorty stickers, Tusk axle blocks, ASV lever. I just ordered a bunch of parts coming in. Has Excel rims, Kenda tires, Renthal sprocket. Got graphics coming in. This frame is going to be sandblasted and then painted either yellow or black. So stay tuned to see more videos on this arm.